Hello, this time I want to show you video of making DIY portable LED reflector powered by batteries. Here you can see rising step by step the power of LED. On the reflector is two buttons, one for power up and one for power down. After switching on, the reflector start at minimum brightness. According to seller description, this LED is 100 watt power, but I don't think so. To build this device we need heatsink, larger is better. High power LED, this is 100 watt 36 volt. Battery 18650 type, 3 pieces. High power step-up module. Buck boost converter. Battery management system, BMS. Arduino, any kind will work. Nickel strip or wires. MOSFET and pull-down resistor. Some momentary buttons. By the way, this is my DIY battery-powered soldering iron. But about the soldering iron I will make another video sometime. Soldering these batteries is not a good idea, but I don't have spot welder yet, so I don't have any other choice how to connect it. Here I connecting BMS board to the batteries. Batteries are in 3's configuration. That means, if our battery is fully charged, the voltage is 12.6 volts. Charging voltage is also 12.6 volts. Here I'm mounting step-up module directly to the heatsink. This step-up module convert voltage from 12 volts to 35 volt. This output from module is connected to MOSFET which drive LED. Here is another voltage module. In this case it is a buck boost module. This module will be used for charging batteries. I used buck boost module because this give me ability to use any kind of voltage source in range from 5 to 36 volts to charge batteries. I plan to use old laptop power source, but I want to have option to use another sources. Module need to be set up to right voltage. In this case it is 12.6 volts. Last thing to connect is Arduino. It is a little overcomplicated, but I don't have correct potentiometer to build any 555 pulse width modulation circuit to drive MOSFET. To Arduino I connecting two buttons. One is for rise the brightness of LED, and one is for lowering the brightness. At the end I just only need to correctly connect all wires. This is how look the final result. I'm missing only one thing. It is a female connector to connect charging source to the charging circuit. It looks this little LED beast will be completed. Let's get tested. If I turn on the device it will start at minimum brightness. First button after pushing it, set the brightness down. In this case it means the LED turn off. After pushing the second button, brightness is rising up to the next level. If I push button again brightness is rising up again. Device start at level 1 of brightness. There are 50 levels of brightness. In my working room I go to 20 level maximum because the brightness little bit blinding me. Camera it is not able to capture real light power of this LED, but it is a huge light. Outside it is a little sun in my hands. So the goal, as a work light, it is accomplished. This was part 1 of making DIY battery-powered high-power work light. In the next video I create a 3D printed box for this device and do a final assemble. In next video I also do a measuring the work time on different brightness levels. Also, I'll be measuring the charging time and testing the charge on work mode of this device. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.